Hello lovelies, welcome back to Lola's recipe. Thank you for tuning in today's video. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I prepare this delicious and mouth-watering Nigerian puff puff. Please, if you want to know how to prepare this, please watch this video to the end. Here I have a bowl and I'm going to measure 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to sieve the flour. It is very important to get the right measurements of your ingredients when you are making puff puff because it matters a lot. Next, I will have half cup of sugar, nutmeg. I will save. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast and 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. Powdered milk is optional. If you don't have it, please, you can skip it. It is not important or it is not necessary to add this. But because I don't know the nutritional value in flour, so I decided to add powdered milk to my puff puff because my children will be eating this. I'm making this for them. So sometimes I do add egg when I don't have powdered milk, or sometimes I do add liquid milk or evaporated milk sometime. So I'm going to create a hole at the center and I will add 1 cup of warm water. Lukewarm water. Don't let your water too hot. Make sure you check your water very well. And I will add a tablespoon of vanilla flavor. This is optional, but I love vanilla flavor in my puff puff. First, I will be mixing this together with 1 cup of water first. Now I will add half cup of water to this and I will keep mixing until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. Just keep watching. I'm going to list the measurements of this recipe into the description, so please check it out so that you get the perfect puff puff when you do yours. I will add another half cup. Now the amount of water that I've used so far is 2 cups of water. So I will mix this very well. It is very important to mix your puff puff very well. The batter needs to be mixed very well so that you can get the perfect consistency in this puff puff by the time you fry it or when you allow it to rest so that it can rise. So it is important you mix it very well. I'm using a spatula, but you can use your hand your finger to mix this very well as well. So at this stage, I've achieved the consistency that I'm looking for. You can see this is okay now. I'm going to remove the spatula and I am going to cover this. As I cover this batter, I'm going to cover again with my kitchen towel and I'm going to set aside so that it can double in size. This can take like about 1 to 2 hours depending the temperature of your kitchen. Alright guys, this is 2 hours later. You can see this is massive. I'm just going to take off the cover and we proceed to the next process of this puff puff recipe. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing. This recipe was requested from one of my subscribers. I'm going to pin a comment in the comment section. So someone asked me to make this and I've promised several times I'm going to make it, so I've decided to make it for her. If I fall,
then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger.
So here I have my oil in the fry pan, and I will use this stick to check the temperature of the oil. The oil is not too hot. I will be scooping the puff puff into the oil. I can always scoop one at a time. So if you can scoop more than one, you can go ahead and do that. I'm not a professional scooper. I've said that before on my buns video. Yeah, I can only scoop one at a time. So here I have the puff puff. Puff puff doesn't take long to fry. It's not like buns. So you just make sure you keep eyes on the puff puff and make sure you are stirring them. You don't just leave them on the fire. Okay, you can see the color is getting brown. It's looking beautiful already. You just want to deep fry this until you get a golden brown color. Once it is golden brown, then you start taking them out of the oil.
Then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger.
Now it is ready. Just look at this. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I love the shape. I love the shape. Here are the puff puff. They're looking so beautiful, so attractive. I'm going to take one now. I'm going to open it so that you can see how fluffy this looks like. This is really yummy. Okay guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for your time, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and share my video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you.